Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix xinput 1-3 is missing from your computer. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up cmd or command prompt, run as admin, and then you need to just put one command here. cfc sfc space / scan now, one word, scan now, and then you need to wait until verification process is done. Maybe your computer files is corrupted and they need to be replaced, so this will do exactly that. And after that, you need to look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, then open a browser, and then you just need to look for a DirectX, and it will be the first link here, DirectX, and use your runtime web installer. Click on that, download it here, and then open up setup here, right? And then you just need to install latest DirectX to your computer. Accept agreement, next, make sure this is not selected, next, and install. And restart your computer, look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, then go to a DLL, as you can see here, me.com, and then you need to write the name of the error, right? Then go to versions, and then you need to download 64 or 32-bit version. If you don't know exactly what to download, you just need to on search write about your PC, and then you will see what type of system you're running. For in my case, it's 64-bit. So I just need to go back and download a 64-bit version here. And after you press download, you need to then complete the captcha here. And after captcha is completed, you can download it. And after it's downloaded, just right click on the file, extract all, and then extract file to desktop or to whatever you like, right? And after is extracted, you should see this file here. So what you need to do here is to, again, open up File Explorer. Then you need to go to your PC, this PC, disk C. Then you need to go to Windows. Then look for System32 folder, and then you just need to drag and drop that particular file and replace it, right? As you can see here. And yeah, that's basically it what you need to do here. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.